Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications on the Tellonym application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the last button down below, and after that tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the notifications section and click on push notifications, then tap on the first button in the right side of the screen and tap on settings. Then you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to click on the second option, notifications, and click on this button to allow notifications. Then go back to the app, tap on this button again, and then you can turn on all these notifications, such as in-app notifications, receive tell, so you are going to get a notification when you receive a tell, when you got a chat message, when you get a like, when your tell is answered, when a friend of you posts something, when you have a new follower, or when you have been tagged by someone. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.